I'm a big fan of urban wildlife, and often stormwater ponds are places where you
Yes.
can view both flora and fauna. These stormwater ponds are built to collect surface water from impervious surfaces and protect natural waterways from erosion and also prevent flooding. On this day, I was amazed to find a tree that was completely in flower. It was only March 21st, so it was pretty special. But I also saw a robin, another harbinger of spring. I may have picked up a little bit of stuff from walking into the underbrush.